Want to build a website in 2025 but don't know where to start? Enter WordPress, the world's #1 website builder. In just 2 minutes, I'll explain why it's perfect for beginners and how you can get started. Let's dive in. What is WordPress? WordPress is a free, open-source platform that powers over 40% of all websites. It lets you create blogs, business sites, online stores, you name it, no coding required. Key features: easy to use. Drag-and-drop editors like Elementor make designing a breeze. Endless customization. 60,000 plus plugins and themes, many free. SEO friendly. Built-in tools to rank higher on Google. Scalable. Grow from a blog to a full e-commerce site. Always evolving. AI integrations and faster performance in 2025. Why great for beginners? Unlike coding from scratch, WordPress is user-friendly with one-click installs, hosts like Bluehost or SiteGround, huge community support, forums, YouTube tutorials, affordable, no need for expensive developers. How to start. 1. Get hosting and a domain name. 2. Install WordPress, usually one click. 3. Pick a theme and customize.